never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up.
In our first episode, we talked about Ken, the artist who speaks through silence. But today, we turn to someone who does the opposite. Someone who chose warmth over bitterness, light over anger, joy even when the world wasn't kind. Hi 18, welcome back. In this series, we're uncovering the stories people don't always see, the struggles, the strength, and the moments that shaped each SB19 member beyond the stage. This is the story of Stelvester Ahero, also known as Stel, SB19's sunshine, and the group's quiet, unbreakable strength. Let's dive in! Every group has a member people misunderstand. In SB19, that member is Stel. They tried to define him by labels, but they missed the most important thing. He was the one bringing the light. The target behind the smile. From the very beginning, Stel was seen differently. Not for his discipline, not for his vocal control, but for how he moved, how he spoke, how he smiled. They mocked him, questioned his masculinity, turned his softness into a weapon against him.
Pero kanina pa ako bothered. Ano ba yan, Stel? Ano ba yung ayos mo na yan? Talagang style yan o ano? Hindi lang ginawang Stella.
Yung style ko po ba or yung name ko po? Kasi clear ko po, yung name ko po, Stel. Kasi po galing po siya, yung full name ko po is Stelvester po. Opo, Stelvester po.
Barakong barako.
Opo, kasi po yung mama ko po, idol niya po si Sylvester Stallone. Kaya doon niya po pinasa yung name ko po.
Oo.
Tapos po, yung style ko naman po ngayon, actually po hindi ko po alam eh. Kumbaga, kung ano lang po yung naisip ko, ito yung suot ko. Sige, ganito na nga lang yung buhok ko. Parang ganun po, yun na lang po yung inaisip ko. Pero wala po, wala po.
So lahat kayo straight.
Opo, pero may kulot po. May kulot po, kulot. Kung sakali man pong kulot talaga ako, wala naman pong masama doon.
Hindi ba siguro linawin ko lang po yung Estel. Kasi po, madalas po siya kasi matagal na po kami magkaibigan. Close din po kasi siya madalas sa mga babae. So siguro po, baka po akalain yung medyo weird po yung
Kasi naka-makeup siya ngayon, no? Parang bakla talaga, di ba?
Ay. Bali po, Stelvester sa umaga, Stel sa gabi. Hindi, joke lang. Pero yun nga po, ganun lang po siguro, parang medyo meron lang po siyang ibang parang manners na girly, pero hindi po, wala pong ganun sa
At least na-clear na kanina about sa bading issue, di ba? Kasi sabi niyo kanina, may mga pa-holding hands at saka yakap. Munti ko na tuloy tanongin kung may nabuo mong bromance.
And still, he showed up smiling. What people didn't see. What they didn't see were the long rehearsals, the pressure of being constantly judged, the weight of being the most bashed, yet never letting it spill onto the people he loved. Instead of bitterness, he became the group's emotional lifeline. When energy dropped, Stel lifted it. When tension rose, Stel softened it. His answer to the noise. Stel never answered hate with anger. He answered it with preparation. Vocals so consistent, they carried live stages. Presence so steady, it anchored performances.
Give me
He
chills.
hit a high E.
It gives me chills,
A high
man.
E.
Professionalism so strong it silenced doubt. And when others were tired, he was the one reminding them why they started. Sunshine is a choice. Being sunshine doesn't mean life was easy. It means choosing light despite the dark. Stel became proof that softness can survive cruelty. That kindness can exist without breaking. That joy can be an act of courage. He didn't lose himself to fit the world. He reshaped the world by staying himself. Why this makes him the secret weapon. Every great team needs more than talent. They need someone who keeps spirits alive, someone who stabilizes performances, someone who absorbs pressure quietly, someone who reminds everyone this is still worth loving. That someone is Stel, not despite the struggle, but because he overcame it.
And sa grupo naman natin, I feel like
ikaw yung pinakamagaling mag-host or kumbaga magdala ng
Lead.
usapan na talaga makikilala yung SB19 or mapopromote yung kumbaga kung paano
Doon ka magaling.
alam mo
May
sa akin, to be
wait lang,
honest,
may sagot ako dyan.
kapag ikaw yung nagsasalita, nakakapagsalita ng maayos yung lahat. Kumbaga,
Hindi, kasi-
nabibigyan ng confidence
Kaya
yung lahat.
ayoko rin lately magsalita kasi nababash na ako.
Na?
Like, parang ang ingay ko na sa group. Tapos,
Seryoso?
Mag-post
Oo
ako
nga,
sa
seryoso.
pakan.
Hindi, like, kaya nung mga panahon na yon parang
Wala.
tinatry ko na parang lahat magsalita. Tapos parang hindi ako masyadong pumapapel sa group o bumabangka kasi may time na nababash na ako na parang ang ingay ko na sa group, ako na lang lagi nagsasalita.
Seryoso ba yan?
Oh, tapos may mga nabasa rin ako na parang ako na lang lagi yung maingay, ako lagi yung parang pumapapel na papansin, na papabibo. So sabi ko, sige, kung gano'n, ibang members naman. Kaya pinupush ko. Kaya pinupush ko kayo na parang maging gano'n.
Dapat di
din.
mo
Lahat,
people.
hindi kasi lahat naman kasi tayo
For-
nasa entertainment industry. So paano na lang pala pag mawala ako? So 'di ba at least para kahit
Mapipilitan kami
mag
talaga.
solo-solo tayo. Para 'di ba kahit mag-solo-solo,
Totoo
kaya
naman
natin
yan.
buhatin
Shine
sarili
everyone.
natin.
The light that stayed. The labels faded. The hate grew quiet. But the light remained. Stell didn't just survive discrimination. He transformed it into warmth for others. That's why he will always be SB19 Sunshine and their secret weapon,